140 components with a total of 22,000 phytonutrients.
Kung nilagyan ko ba nito,
Yes.
isang...
Hello, Godwin! Oh, from Kano RC. Thank you for watching. So, this C24/7 composed of 140 components with 22,000 phytonutrients, which also has 29 vitamins up to essential fatty acids and longevity polyphenols. Everything are already included in one capsule. So could you imagine how many phytonutrients? When you say phytonutrients, nutrients coming from the plants. So it's very organic, okay? 100% organic, and it's very good for our body. Okay, now it's also used, the C24/7 also use advanced technologies just to make all the 140 components compressed inside C24/7, which includes nanotechnology, Synertech, and Alcatech. When you say nanotech, they make all the ingredients very, very minute, okay? It's very, very small so that it can easily penetrate inside the cells, right? And it will be absorbed by our body so easily. When you say Synertech, all the ingredients are what? Helping with each other to provide us the nutrients that we are needed inside our body. And of course, Alcatech. Okay, we say Alcatech, alkaline. This C24/7 is alkaline. It's very safe to take it before meal or empty stomach, as it will preserve the alkalinity. Because you know what? If there's no Alcatech or if there's no alkaline, what will happen? This is it. Okay, so after 15 minutes, of course, C24/7 is already disintegrated. Okay, and because of the Alcatech, it will preserve. Compared to the other brands, brand A, brand B, brand C, what happened after 15 minutes? Look, it's still solid. Okay, because of the starch, because of the what? Binders. And because of this capsule is composed of vegetable capsule, it disintegrates so easily and very fast. And it can absorb, absorbed by the body so easily. Okay, so remember also the three technologies: the Alcatech, Synertech, and the Nanotech. Okay, so we know because our stomach is acid. Okay, it's acidic, composed of hydrochloric acid. So sometimes if we take drugs, if it's 100%, what happens? Once it reaches our stomach, the body only absorbs 50%. Okay, because of the hydrochloric acid that burns. Okay, the capsule or the tablet inside our body. But because C24/7 has an alkaline technology or Alcatech, even if so, what will happen once it reaches the stomach? Still, the body absorbs 100%. Okay, that's why C24/7. Okay, when you take it, it will respond to your body so easily. That's why you heard a lot of testimonies. You heard a lot of stories that after taking the product C24/7, what happened? The experience changes happening inside their body. Okay, that's why C24/7 for me is the best product, the best they call it food supplement ever discovered. Okay, yes. So these are the ingredients. Okay, vitamin A to vitamin K with major minerals like calcium, chloride, magnesium, phosphorus. What else? Potassium, sodium, sulfur. So trace minerals like chromium, copper, everything are inside the capsule of C24/7. It also has 12 fruits like the plum, cranberry, blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, bilberry, cherry, apricot, papaya, orange, grape, and pineapple. All these fruits contain high level of antioxidants that's needed by our body. And also 12 whole vegetable juice blends. So according to the World Health Organization, if we want to maintain a healthy body or lifestyle, we need to eat at least 5 kinds of fruits and vegetables every day. Okay, 5 kinds of fruits and vegetables every day to maintain a healthy body. But because of the C24/7, we exceed more than the required number of fruits and vegetables by the World Health Organization. It's no longer 5, but it's already 12. So that's why when you take C24/7, there's a great response in our body. Okay, so these fruits and vegetables again contains high level of antioxidants. Okay, they are measured through aura or oxygen radical absorbance capacity. Okay, where can you find a product that contains 12 fruits and vegetables? Everything that you can see in the market is already here inside our best product, C24/7. Do you want more? This is it. Okay, aside from fruits and vegetables, it also contains 18 amino acids. 18 amino acids, or amino acids I mean, is essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of the body tissues. Okay? So, it composed of what? Amino acids has two categories, the essential amino acids and the non-essential amino acids. So, what is this essential and non-essential? The non-essential are the amino acids produced by our body. So, these 9 non-essential amino acids produced naturally by our body. And the essential amino acids are the amino acids, okay, that we can should become from the diet, okay, from our diet. So imagine if your diet is failed, if your diet is not nutritious. So mean to say you are lack of amino acids. So good thing in C24/7 all are already provided. All 18 amino acids, the other 9 are already provided in C24/7. So that's why these amino acids, okay, it will strengthen what? The enzymes, your neurotransmitters, and of course your hormones that maintain normal body function. Okay, so if I were you, if you want to have healthy body and have a good metabolism, then go for C24/7. Also, it composed of 14 super green foods and spirulina blend. Okay, as you can see there, alfalfa, barley grass, dandelion, everything are grasses, right? They are more on the leaves. Okay, the spirulina. But how come they can help the body? Because these leaves, green foods contains chlorophyll. Okay, it gives the color green pigment to the plants. And recently studied, it contains high level of antioxidants. So the purpose of green foods or spirulina blend is to detoxify from the toxins, or short, detoxification. Just like the spirulina, which is a special ingredient. Okay, it's a blue-green algae. And spirulina alone, these are the benefits. It will strengthen the different systems of the body, especially the immune system. It lowers the blood pressure, reduces the cholesterol, lowers the incidence of stroke. It will boost the energy. It helps you in weight loss and memory booster. Okay, spirulina alone. How much more the dandelion? Okay, this dandelion also protects the bones, cleanses our liver and aids in digestion. High in vitamin K, which builds bones better than calcium. It fights diabetes, okay, or high blood sugar, fights skin infections, and prevents urinary tract infection or UTI. That is most especially what do you call this? Prone to what? To the ladies. Okay, so that's why we need to take C24/7 so that we can prevent from UTI and of course prevent also from diabetes. So that's why this product, okay, it's not only one product ingredient, not only 2, but more than 100 ingredients. So aside from these super green foods and spirulina blend, what I love in C24/7 is because of the 12 Japanese mushrooms. Okay, these Japanese mushrooms are rich in polysaccharides. And what is the benefit of this Japanese mushroom? Of course, to reduce or lessen the tumor growth in our body. So if you have a friend, client, or customer suffering from small cysts, right, that can sometimes eventually it can lead to malignant myoma or benign myoma. So you can recommend this product because these Japanese mushrooms can really help to reduce the tumor growth of the cyst or the cancer cells inside their body. Okay? What else? The 12 herbs and the specialty nutrients. Alright? So, citrus bioflavonoid complex, Siberian eleutheroid roots, okay, inositol, choline, fava, hesperidin, all these ingredients and specialty nutrients will really help your brain and your cardiovascular just like also the lutein, which is good for your eyesight. All right, the chlorophyll, the DNA, the RNA, okay, it's also the deoxyribonucleic acid and chlorella, which is good for your brain and for your cells. All right, so these herbs and special nutrients will provide more nutritious nutrients to your brain and also to your body. What else? Yeah, so these are all the ingredients of what they call the C24/7, and of course another product that we have is Complete Phyto Energizer, the very first product that AIM Global introduces in the market. Okay, which contains 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals too, up to 10 essential fatty acids, just like the C24/7. So this product, Complete Phyto Energizer, is mostly recommended to pregnant women, lactating mothers, people with bleeding problems, take note on that, and people with reproductive problems. Okay? So if your client, of course, is pregnant woman, lactating mothers, then do not give C24/7. The reason is because of this. Okay, they are both food supplements, but of course, it depends on your client. So Complete has 16,000 phytonutrients, while C24/7 has 22,000 phytonutrients and antioxidants. So Complete contains all the original formula, while C24/7 has what? Anti-aging and for longevity polyphenols. That's why it's not recommended for pregnant women and lactating mother because of the resveratrol content. So aside from the original formula, C24/7 has anti-aging, meaning to say, if you will take C24/7 regularly, okay, it will delay your aging process. So even though you are now at the age of 60 years old, 70 years old, your body is still what? 20 years younger. And when we talk about core longevity polyphenols, okay, there's a chance that your body will what? You will what? Experience promote longer lifespan. So it will extend from 30 to 40%. I'm sure you were going to live up to 100%. Right? So the age, we talk about age, C24/7, 18 years old and above. While Complete, you can now start giving Complete to your client at the age of 12 years old. Right? It's recommended for people 12 years old and above. Okay, so while taking C24/7 and Complete, there are people are asking Sir Jobs, what is the best time? Can I take this supplement anytime? Yes, you can take the product anytime. But of course, I highly suggest if you want to maximize the potency and of course to absorb all the nutrients of our product Complete and C24/7, I advise you that you should take it what? An empty stomach 30 minutes before meal. A, for better absorption of products. If ever the person is taking synthetic drugs the same time as that of C24/7, it will be better to take the product 2 hours after meals, okay? Because that is the normal duration for the partial digestion of food inside the stomach. And don't also give C24/7 to clients taking blood thinning drugs or medication. So meaning, ask your client first if the doctor prescribed them what? A blood thinning medicines. If the doctor gave blood thinning medicines, then you should not give C24/7. Instead, give them what? Complete Phyto Energizer. And when it comes to the vitamin C, the difference of Complete and C24/7, C24/7 is alkaline, okay? The vitamin C used is sodium ascorbate, while Complete Phyto Energizer is ascorbic acid. Okay? Now, Sir Jobs, when I take C24/7 or Complete, I feel something wrong. Okay? I have headache, sometimes stomach ache, or sometimes I don't understand sometimes what's happening inside my body. Is it normal? The answer is yes. Why? Because if there are complaints of any kind of discomfort such as dizziness, insomnia, constipation, or diarrhea, inform your client. It's a form of what? Healing crisis. is the time where we are manifesting different signs and symptoms of a hidden illness inside our body or a condition in which our body is adjusting, take note on that, to new products we are taking, and that is also an act where in our system is removing some of the toxins in our body. Meaning to say, the supplement is now responding to your body. So it's already a good sign, because if you feel such as dizziness, insomnia, it's already reacting inside your body, it's responding, then meaning to say your body is now removing all the toxins outside your body. Okay, so that's the reason why you feel that such a disease, feeling that dizziness,